Hi guys, my name's Luke and I'm joined today by my colleague Cinthia, and we're actually going to go through some of the casters we use for different FlexQube carts. Now we have two main types of casters that we like to use with our carts. We have the polyurethane with the steel core, then we also have the nylon casters. We have two different sizes as well. We have the 200mm and the 125mm, and we have three different standards. So we have the fixed caster, the swivel caster, and the swivel caster with brake. So Cinthia, which type of casters would you recommend for different applications?
Well, it depends on the weight you're using in your application. We generally recommend for heavy-duty applications the 200mm polyurethane casters. These are also pretty good when you are connecting the carts in a tugger to have them in a train, logistics train. And for manual operation, we recommend the nylon caster, which requires less pull-push force and less weight application as well.
Alright, well thanks guys. Visit our website if you want to check out some of our other applications. Thanks for watching.